everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about today's video, so I'm going to cut the intro a little bit shorter and then go straight to today's video. So before we go in, just remember to subscribe to my channel if you like beauty related contents and turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into today's video now. So I am really excited about today's video because I will be doing like a mini review slash look on the face with this Urban Decay Stone Vibes eyeshadow palette. This palette has been out for a little bit now, but it's still fairly new. I believe it is released like in September or in August. Oh my gosh, I can't believe the exact date, but I saw this on Instagram and on Sephora. I was like, oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I have to pick it up. Oh, actually no, I picked it up in Ulta. Sorry, my bad. Packagings are important, I know that, duh, but at the same time I think the contents matters even more, right? So I was really attracted to how the shades looks like, and I'm a sucker for shimmery and glittery shades, so naturally I was just like, I have to pick this up. So let's jump to the swatch part. I am going to swatch every shade on the back of my hand for you, and especially the shimmery shades. I know a lot of you are curious about how these shades actually looks, because when you look at this, it kind of had this marble type of effect.
It feels so real. Take a part of me. Take my heart, make it ours, we can let it be. Hold me in your arms and make me feel like I'm the only one, 'cause I just need to be with you tonight. You were like, hello, 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 and I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Thought that it'd be good for a minute. Thought that it'd be fast, but it wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it. Yeah, I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. You were like, hello, 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 and I
So
was
hello
like,
there again. This is the close-up of the eyes. Before we start with the eyeshadow application, I want to start with this eyeshadow primer. Since we're using Urban Decay, I figure why not using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer as well. This is just their regular one, it's the classic one without any eye color. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Get that base on. Let's prep this lid. Again, I have done my face makeup already. I used the Lancome Tinted Ultra Wear Foundation, which is the one I've been using and using all over again. I know, guys, I haven't really tried out any new foundation, so I see that NARS is coming out with a soft matte long wear foundation. I'm actually very intrigued about that. So if any of you already buy that one, please let me know if it actually works, because I just want to buy foundation that actually works. I think the first shade I'm going to use is the Good Karma, which is this beigey color. Focus. This one right here as a all over the lid color. Just gonna put this all over my lid, even under the brow bone as well, so my lid is more clean. And will serve as a better canvas for all the colors we're gonna put up later. Plus kind of like set that primer a little bit as well. And then I'm actually gonna go in with the eyeshadow brush that the palette is coming with. Oh, I should have said it before when I first reviewed about this palette, that this palette also comes with a brush. But anyways, I'm mentioning now, you know, our Decay palettes always come with like a brush, and nowadays it's more like dual end as well. I really like this brush. I tried it twice already, and this is just perfect. And honestly, I can just use only this brush to complete all the look. I know. Next, I am taking this peachy matte shade antidote right here. Oh no, right here, this one. And I am going to use this shade to go all over my crease, like so. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend this. How are you guys doing? I hope you're, you know, doing well. We're still in the middle of a pandemic, and sometimes there's a lot of feelings, right? I get that. I feel like sometimes I feel a lot as well. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but, and I don't know if I'm sensitive or not, but I just got them feels, yo. Okay, so I put the crease color, as you can see right here above. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And now, before we go into any shimmery shades, I'm gonna go in with the color Hex, which is this dark brown color. Again, I'm using the same brush, just a different side. And I'm just gonna gently dab this. Look how pigmented that is, right? On the outer corner. Not too much, just focus here. It's trying to add some dimension to the eye. Gonna do the same to the other one, and then we're gonna come back and blend the colors out. But right now we're just packing these colors on the outer corner. I think this is my first time doing like a chattier, not get ready with me, but you know, a chattier non-voiceover makeup tutorial per se. Let me know if you guys like this or not, because I feel like I'm actually talking with you guys, even though I am pre-recording this. Like, this is not live at all, but I like this. Okay, I'm gonna take a blending brush. This is the Morphe E22, and I'm just gonna blend this color a little bit more with the earlier shade, the antidote. Try to blend them together and blend them out. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the highlights of today's video, which is the shimmer shades. I'm gonna go with Tiger's Eyes because this is by far my favorite shade in this palette, and I'm gonna use my finger, which is the best tool to apply any type of shimmery and glittery shade. And again, just want to show you guys again how beautiful this is. This is like a perfect copper bronzy gold shimmer. Okay, I'm gonna use my eyes, and then I'm gonna apply it right here in the center of my lid. Not too much in the inner corner because I want to place another shade there. So let's just see. Did you see that? Did the camera pick it up? Did you see how gorgeous that shade is? I'm just using my hand, my finger, to blend this out, and it's even not that hard. Just try to control the area you're gonna place this, not like too high above your crease, so it won't appear to be like too messy. Just be careful with that. But look at that shade. I'm gonna use a brush now just to blend the bottom part better. But oh my gosh, did you guys see that shimmer shade? Who says this palette is not neutral? This for me is neutral because of the colors. And honestly, an eye look without shimmer shades is not an eye look. Oh no, I feel like people might not agree with me with this. But anyways, it's personal preference. You already know. Makeup is such a healing thing for me. I just feel so calm when I'm doing makeup. I'm just, you know, taking my time, do it right. I had so much fun with this. This is just, you know, and nothing crazy. Like honestly guys, I just used 2 shades for the crease and then outer corner and then this shimmer shade. Like we're almost done with the eye look. You know, just a little inner corner and then smoke out your bottom lash line. So again, I'm telling you guys, don't be scared of eyeshadows if you're not, you know, used to it. It honestly, it's not that hard, especially for, you know, every day. You don't have to go crazy on the technique, you know. That's what I meant. Okay, so I'm back. I'm using the also Urban Decay Let's Keep the Thing Going, you know, one brand type of deal. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color 0, which is a dark black color, you know, nothing cray cray. I'm just going to go in with this and then put this really close to my lash line, and just to not ruin our eyeshadow, I'm just gonna do this gently and then put this in the waterline as well. Okay, you see the difference, right? With waterline, without it. This one, that lash line definitely looks a little bit more fuller, and I'm just gonna drag it here. I'm not gonna win it out yet because I am going to put some falsies and I want to adjust my eyeliner to my falsies a little bit later, so not right now. Again, this part doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to go in again with a liquid liner later on. So this is just to add some fullness to our lash line first. Okay, so I am now going to use a smaller brush and then put some inner highlight corner color in. I'm gonna use the color Opal Aura, and then I'm just going to put this in a cone, and you guys can see that this is a very light shade, so it's kind of perfect for that inner corner highlight right here. Okay guys, so I am back. I just put on some lashes and then finished off my wing liners here and then added some bottom lash mascara, and I think this is my take on a very, you know, everyday look using this eyeshadow palette. Again, as you can see the close-up, there's teeny bit of that glitter fallout. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but yes, there's some fallout here, but then nothing can fix with a fluffy brush, so we just gently swipe it away. And if you think that still bothers you, you can always go in with more powder and just pat it on right here. And yeah, let me zoom you guys back out, and then we're gonna finish the entire look. Added some, you know, colors back to our face again. I'm just gonna use a little bit more bronzer. Again, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I absolutely love it. It's just so good, very creamy. I'm just gonna add a teeny bit more color here, and I'm also gonna add like a blush color. I'm gonna go with the M Cosmetic Liquid Blush. I'm gonna use the Sunset Sky, like so, right here. Just going to dab it I'm also gonna put a little bit bronzer on the top of my nose, like so. Okay, and last but not the least, I'm actually gonna go back with the Opal Aura, and I'm just going to use that shade to highlight my brow bone as well, as you can see there. Okay, and actually let me use the same shade to, let's see if it works as a highlight as well. I think this shade is very universal. This is Opal Aura, the bluish purple tone highlight shade. I'm just gonna put it right here. Just give it a little more highlight. Can you guys see the sheen right there? And I'm just curious to see how it, you know, feels on the face as well. So I'm gonna go in with the same shade with a fluffy brush, like so, and then pull just a teeny bit. Ooh. Is that a good idea? Is that a bad idea? It's very blinding. Very. Just, it might be a little bit too much for highlight, guys. I don't know if I did a right move over there. It's very blinding. But we're gonna try to make it work. Okay, we're gonna try to make it work. You can see it's right there. Just gonna use a teeny bit, not too much, right here as well. I don't think I will actually wear this as a highlighter out because this is very blinding. But it really depends on your preference. I just want to see how versatile this palette could be. This shade can definitely work as a highlighter shade though. I mean, don't get me wrong, right? As you can see. And yeah, the complexion is pretty much done, and I'm just gonna put on like a lip shade, and then we're gonna regroup and then talk about the overall review of this palette, and we're gonna be right back. Okay guys, so I just took out my hair clips, and here we are. My hair, I didn't do much with it. It's just, you know, I let it air dry. And yeah, so this is the finished look using this palette. Again, I just want to stress that don't be scared of anything glittery or, you know, shimmery, because they are definitely the highlight, the main character to dress up your entire eyeshadow look. And sometimes they can be very subtle, like what I did today. And if you want to dress it up, you can always go in with the more dramatic shimmer shades here. Again, I think that jade color will be really nice to contrast with the brown here. This is a very gorgeous fall look type of combo. And then this right here, again, the, oh, my camera, the meditate. How am I gonna do this? Okay, so yeah, there we go. So this shade right here is also gray. Anyways, just, you know, have fun with it. Okay, a different angle again. I just want to show you guys how these eyeshadow looks in a different angle. If my eyelashes are not glued to the proper way, please excuse me. I'm still trying to perfect my false lashes skills. And yeah, this is the highlight shade, kind of looks like under more of the more full of sunlight, because in this angle all the windows are facing me, so I get a little bit more natural sunlight. Yes, like that. And this is how that lip color looks. I really like it. Let me just show you guys again. This is the Rouge Dazzle, the UNT Rouge Dazzle lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like. And please excuse me, I got a little bit dirty. The packaging got a little bit dirty here because I almost like break the packaging. I was using too much force. But anyways, I think this color is very like pinky, very like, you know, everyday rosy type of vibe, and just, I don't know, I like it. And yeah, this pretty much sums up my review and how I feel about this eyeshadow palette. Again, I only came out with one look today, and in the future, as I play with this palette more, I will probably come up with more looks, and by then, you guys will see it on my Instagram. If you haven't followed, please go there and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!